Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is topic about how to change Twitter name. So I want to tell you before I start the video, if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for next video update. Let's get started with the video. First, you go to Twitter apps. From your mobile phone, search Twitter and open the Twitter apps. After carrying the Twitter homepage, you will see your profile icon option top of the left corner. Then press on it. After press on it, then you will see profile option. Then click on it. Then you will see three dot and edit profile option. Then click on edit profile option. When you will click on edit profile option, then you will see name option. Then you can change your name. I removed my previous name and typing my new name. Then if I click on save icon, then it will be saved with a new name. Now let's have a look. Now my account name is changed. I hope you guys really helpful from this video. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.